Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Friends, for many, many years, I've said the company motto is, it's my belief that everybody in America should own an air compressor. And I'm trying to sell it to them. I know that will never happen on several vents. I won't get to sell them all, and not everybody's going to buy one. But I'm going to give you today one more reason to tell your better half you need an air compressor. We all have that problem. We've seen it on Facebook about the strongest force on the planet is these two objects attracted to each other, and how it's impossible to get them apart. You've seen all kinds of comedy things about it. Well, here they are. Two buckets stuck together. Oh, they're stuck together. Now, today I had 20 buckets here in the church. We needed buckets because we've got a whole bunch of easy ups going up this Saturday, and we have to make sure they're tied down. These are real good. You put a little bit of water in them, tie them to the corner of the easy up. The easy up doesn't go anywhere. So we had 20 buckets to take up to the church and loan them, and about half of them were put together like this. A couple of preacher's kids came down here, and I said, let's try something I've been thinking about and see if it works. Here's my compressor hose. Here's my antique blowgun. No safety measures. Might even be due to be changed. So I'm going to see if this just works easy, or if I have to stand up and hold one side with my feet.
What did you do?
I'll put them back together. The other way they go tight. These are different size buckets, but that doesn't matter. Oh, they get them tight. Let me really give them a chance. There we go. So I put the air hose right on. They're not stuck like they were.
Okay, you got
But
it.
what I did is I put the hose right in the crack where the bottom bucket meets the top bucket.
Huh.
I had buckets much tighter than this. One preacher kid held the bottom, I held the beall on the other one, and away they went. Friends, this is one more reason to buy an air compressor. You got all those buckets stuck together and they're not good for anything except a tall seat. Well, now you can use your buckets again. Check it out. Try it. I got a couple of stuck buckets. Go get your blowgun, pump your compressor up, and yeah, you might have to hold the bottom and pull on the top. You can do that with your feet on each side, but just put some air to the crack. Even if the crack is, I had a couple today that they were different size buckets, and the crack was right up against the lip on the next bucket. And I thought, this is never going to work. And I put that right there next to that where it was butted up, and they came apart so easy. This is another reason to have an air compressor. If you're wondering why this works, all you have to do is increase the air pressure in here. Let's say by a pound. We talked about this on tank safety. If we can add just a little bit of air pressure down here, every square inch, if we only have 2 pounds of pressure in the bottom bucket from the air that happens to get past, you have all these square inches, 2 inches times all these square inches. You can have a couple 100-pound pressure just pushing up on that bucket, and it works. Friends, this is not really a craft channel, but this is a great use for an air compressor. I thought you'd enjoy it.
What else could you use your air compressor for?
Why, you this is unscripted, folks. You can use air tools, you can paint with it. Air compressors are used at car washes to make the foam out of the foaming brush. Air compressors are used to run overhead doors in some car washes and other applications. An air cylinder is much faster than an automatic door opener like a motor. There's all kinds of uses.
Oh, pick me.
What?
Air compressors are very good to sweep out your garage and not have to use the broom.
Yeah, but I'll just go yes. That is.
Really? See, because like I use the leaf blower on my cement porch.
Yeah, that's
If I had a little air compressor,
But if I have a
would-
compressor halfway put together, before we do that, we gotta cover it up so we don't get any dust particles inside the crankcase or cylinders.
Well, no, I was talking in a regular garage. You came in, your car was muddy.
Oh, yeah.
It dried and it fell off, and you could
You
just go.
can dry your car with it. I don't think any of this is gonna be part of the episode, but you can dry your car with an air compressor. You can air up your tires. You can put air in your air shocks.
You can clean grass off your lawnmower.
Oh yeah, there's lots of uses for air, but this is a good alternative to get your buckets apart. Friends, this is a tip. We're not a craft channel. We're just, I thought about this. I thought this might work, and quite frankly, it worked so well, I knew I had to share it with you guys. Thank you. God bless. Like, subscribe, leave comments, because if this helped you, I want to hear it helped you. Leave some comments. Have a great day. God bless.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. Please hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell so you will know when the next new episode is released from The Compressor Guru. God bless you and have a great day.